All right, we have 2 thumbs up. That means driver stands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off here at Jones Field number 1 for qualification match number 83. It is time as the Blue Alliance, the VV Robots, is cycling through those artifacts coming off the ramp while their teammate does the same, the Trailblazers from that far launch zone. It looks like on the red side, Accelerate is trying to get theirs prepared, but they ran out of artifacts to collect on their own.
Pick up your controllers.
It appears as if we have
3, 2,
all teams earning 2
1.
lead points, but there being 3 blue miners on the field for launching outside of the launch zone. For the blue side, VV Robotics is finding their aim in this near launch zone, where on the red side, Accelerate is doing the same. Helping them out from afar is the Mechaniers, who have sailed the 7 seas to be here today. They are still finding their mark, while the Trailblazers are on target from that far launch zone. It appears as if both Red Alliance teams are now making use of that near launch zone, as it seems to have fixed their accuracy problems, allowing them to score much more rapidly. This is still causing a bit of issues as the blue team has a strong lead, even though the Red Alliance is making a comeback. Blue Alliance team VV Robots is continuing to do their thing, cycling through those artifacts, as their teammate, the Trailblazer, is staying in that far launch zone. They are both going 3 for 3 and 2 for 3 in retrospect. Accelerate now, 3 for 3 from that near launch zone. They have their aim down. Their teammates have their aim down. Both of the Red Alliance has that aim ready, so we should see some points going on the books for them very soon. Now it is time. It is endgame. These teams have a choice to make. Will they finally fill up that ramp, or will they empty it? Red answers that call and has decided to empty that ramp one more time with 5 seconds on the clock. That has been qualification
Number 83. It's the Blue Alliance for the victory. With a score of 337 to 209, that is going to move 19-116 into 7 and 16-224 into 8th, respectively, prime spots for our alliance selection later on tonight.